Ireland is an archipelago. There are some 500 offshore islands. We decided on 3 as being emblematic of all of the islands. Skellig is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. And then on Clare Island and on Inis Meáin you have a cultivated landscape and a deep sense of culture, memory and language. They all represent slightly different things, but they're all to do with this quality of islandness, which is many things and multifaceted. They all bring a slightly different complexion to the idea of an island. Ultimately, it's about thinking about the island of Ireland and what our future might be, and using our islands as really a touchstone to reflect a bit more deeply about our future.